Nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I realized today is not Face Chart Friday. However, I have had the pleasure of participating in a YouTube collab with one of my favorite small YouTubers by the name of Danielle. I will leave all of her information in the description. So one, make sure to click the link, watch her video, subscribe to her channel. I'm just saying, like, I love her. I'm pretty sure you'll love her too. Anyway, this is a face chart collab. It's my first time doing this with anyone, and it feels good. I'm excited, especially because it's like you get to see different takes on face charts. And my face is already beat minus the eyes. That's because I had to go to work today too. But yeah, so let's get started. And this is the finished look. I must say that it actually looks a lot more, like you can see more pink here. It looks darker off the camera than it does on the camera. On the camera, it looks like there's barely any color there, but if you follow me on Instagram, you will see the pictures, and the pictures will show like there's actual color there. I don't know why it looks so light. Everything looks super light on camera, the lip, everything, and it's boggling my mind because, sorry, my ears just popped for some reason. Sorry, I'm back. I don't know why my ears just popped, and then like I got a sharp pain right in the middle of my head. I don't know what happened. That was really a little scary, a little random. Should I go see a doctor? Anyway, back to the video. This finished look. I actually like this, but good Lord, putting the blush onto my cheeks like that, and I don't really use that blush anymore. I use that usually in the summer. Like before I added the highlight, I looked sick. I looked sick. I did. These stars, I bought them from a indie brand, AdaCosmetics. If you are interested in ordering any glitters from them, let me know. I will leave the link in the description box. So yeah, because in the picture they're like little flecks of sparkles, and I didn't want to put any more glitter on my face than what was necessary. So I decided I have these babies. Let's use them. And I like how that came out too. Only thing I don't like is these lashes, and I don't know why I added them. I think to make it more dramatic, because it's kind of dramatic in the picture. But yeah, I'm not liking the lashes, but let me know what you think about these lashes. They're by the Korean brand slash cause I don't know if it's Korean. I think it's a Korean brand. It said made in Korea, so VOV or VOV Cosmetics. This is they're called dramatic. This is they're called drama. Or is it drama? I think it's either drama or dramatic. One of those. These are those lashes, and then as you saw in everything else in the video, that like I'm obviously gonna. I always put the little thingies. But like I said, I did this collaboration with Danielle. Please check out her video. Please check out her channel. Please subscribe. If you're watching this video and you came from Danielle's channel, hey, how you doing? You should stay. I actually film face charts every Friday. So yeah, if you do come from Danielle's channel and you subscribe, thank you so much. I can give you virtual cookies. Well, not the bad cookies, but like sweet cookies. I can give you virtual cookies. I don't have any, I can't give you real cookies, but yeah, by the way, if I do hit 500 subscribers, I'm already at 430, which that's crazy. Shout out to y'all. If I have 500 subscribers, then the giveaway is gonna be, I'm gonna have to do like a first place and a second place, because I got like, I've accumulated all this stuff that I've gotten and ordered for past giveaways that I never got around to doing because I'm lazy. I'm gonna be real with y'all. Not even lazy, I just being a teacher, and then it's like also the time difference and just not having time to actually get to the post office. That's my problem. By the time I finish work, the post office is closed. That's my big, and then it's not open Saturday and Sunday. So that's the problem that I'm at right now. So it's gonna be hard to try to get that out, but I have to figure out something. Maybe I'll just use DHL, but then I'd have to find the DHL place. Yeah, I keep getting sidetracked. I like how this look turned out. These lashes are so crazy though. They're just like super dramatic. I think my favorite part of this entire look though was the eye shade colors together. It's like pinks and reds, but it's like the red is like a pinky red. So it's like a Valentine's Day red almost. Not like the super blood red or the super bright red, but I like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you go from my channel to Danielle's channel, please watch her video. I know you're gonna like the video. And I will see you all tomorrow for normal Face Chart Fridays. By the way, if you are a small YouTuber and you want to collab, don't hesitate to ask. I like everyone, unless you know, make me angry, but I like everyone, so I'm down to collab with everyone. It's like no big deal, no problem at all. That's it for this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.